This Percival training video will explain how to calibrate your chamber to sync with an independent sensor. To get the most accurate reading, allow your chamber to stabilize at the set point for at least 20 minutes. On the status screen, touch the word status in the upper left-hand corner to access the navigation menu. Choose Settings and then Calibration. For the day temperature offset, first calculate the difference between the chamber values and your independent sensor reading with all the lights on. Touch and hold the value of an offset to bring up the keypad and enter the new value. Then touch the green arrow to record the value. You can also use the slider to set the day temperature offset value. Don't forget to touch Save or the settings will be lost. Follow the same steps to set the day temperature offset value for limit 2. Touch Save again. Now follow the same steps with all the lights off to set the night temperature offset. You also have the option to use multiple temperature offsets if you regularly run temperatures at the extremes of the chamber's range. To learn more, refer to the Intellis Ultra Control Tablet application manual. If applicable, to sync the chamber's humidity with an independent sensor, touch the RH tab and follow the same steps previously outlined to set the offset values. If you have additional questions about using your touchscreen, watch Percival's other training videos, contact us through our website, or call 800-695-2743. Percival Scientific, helping you create better science.